The best gadgets aren't always the most expensive. Sometimes it's the small, affordable upgrades that make the biggest difference. Today, we've rounded up some of the coolest tech you can buy right now. Smart, practical, and surprisingly affordable. You're watching RevX. Subscribe for more incredible gadget discoveries. And if anything catches your eye, you'll find all the links in the description below. Let's get into it.
Why carry a bulky wallet when everything you need fits in something this slim? This minimalist aluminum wallet holds up to 8 cards while staying compact enough to disappear into any pocket. With one quick push, the patented pop-up mechanism instantly fans out your cards, and the front pocket gives you even faster access to your most used one. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum with certified RFID protection, it's lightweight, durable, and designed to keep your essentials secure without the bulk.
Most flashlights light the way. This one adapts to it. The Woobin G5 packs up to 400 lumens into a pocket-sized body that weighs barely over 50 grams. Its 180-degree rotating head and magnetic base let you aim light exactly where you need it. Perfect for repairs, camping, or emergencies. Switch between bright white light, 7 RGB colors, or flashing warning modes in seconds. With USB-C fast charging, up to 65 hours of runtime, and an IP65 weather-resistant design, this tiny flashlight is built to handle just about anything.
A good phone stand holds your phone. A great one disappears into your pocket. This ultra-thin foldable phone stand is 40% slimmer than the previous model, making it perfect for your desk, office, or travel bag. The adjustable height and multi-angle design give you the perfect viewing position for video calls, streaming, or work, while the weighted metal base keeps everything rock solid. It even supports phones with thick cases, so you get premium stability without sacrificing portability. Small upgrade, big difference for your everyday setup.
A regular clock tells the time. This one transforms your entire setup. This RGB neon digital clock features 7 vibrant colors, customizable lighting effects, and large LED numbers that are easy to read from across the room, even at night. Use it as a desk clock or wall clock, then control the brightness, alarm, temperature display, and lighting with the included remote. With automatic dimming and a sleek cyber-style design, it's the perfect finishing touch for any gaming room, office, or modern workspace.
It looks like an ordinary pen until you see what it can really do. The Atomic Bear SWAT Tactical Pen combines smooth everyday writing with a rugged military-grade aluminum body built to handle tough conditions. It features a textured anti-slip grip, accepts standard ink refills, and includes a glass breaker tip designed for emergency situations. Lightweight enough for everyday carry, yet durable enough for work, travel, or the outdoors, it's a practical EDC tool that does far.
A cluttered desk leads to a cluttered mind. This desktop glass whiteboard transforms the space between your keyboard and monitor into a smart productivity hub. Write quick notes, reminders, or to-do lists on the smooth, dry erase surface, then wipe it clean in seconds. The hidden storage drawer keeps markers and small accessories out of sight, while the top tray holds your phone or tablet within easy reach. It's a sleek desk upgrade that helps you stay organized, focused, and paper-free every day.
Need to capture every word without pulling out your phone? This digital voice recorder starts recording with a simple slide of a switch and automatically saves your file when you're done. It packs 64 gigabytes of storage, enough for up to 900 hours of recordings, and delivers crystal clear 1536 kilobits audio for meetings, lectures, interviews, or personal notes. With up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge, it's a compact gadget that makes sure you never miss an important moment.
Your fingers work fine, but this makes every tap feel more precise. These 2-in-1 stylus pens let you write, sketch, scroll, and navigate with better accuracy while keeping fingerprints off your screen. The transparent disc tip gives you a clear view of exactly where you're touching, while the soft rubber tip is perfect for everyday use. No charging, no Bluetooth, just pick one up and start using it. Compatible with iPhones, iPads, Android devices, tablets, and more, it's a simple gadget that makes every screen feel easier to use. Darkness doesn't have to end the adventure. These night vision goggles use advanced infrared technology to let you see clearly in complete darkness, with a viewing range of up to 1,968 feet. Capture HD photos and videos, zoom in with 8x digital zoom, and store everything on the included 64GB memory card. The 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery keeps you exploring for hours, while the built-in flashlight and rugged weather-resistant design make them ready for camping, wildlife watching, hunting, or nighttime adventures. Your best memories deserve more than just sitting in your phone gallery. The Kodak Dock Plus photo printer lets you print vibrant 4x6 photos straight from your smartphone in about 55 seconds. Its 4-pass dye sublimation technology creates rich colors, then adds a protective layer that resists water, fingerprints, and fading. Just dock or connect your phone via Bluetooth, edit your photos in the app, and print with a single tap. It's the easiest way to turn your favorite moments into keepsakes that last for years. Cleaning your house shouldn't require a ladder. This all-in-one cleaning kit makes it easy to dust ceiling fans, walls, windows, baseboards, floors, and even the space under furniture, all with one adjustable extension pole. The flexible microfiber and chenille heads trap dust without scratching delicate surfaces, while the window squeegee leaves glass streak-free in just a few passes. Wash the reusable pads, swap the attachments, and you're ready for the next job. One tool that tackles almost every cleaning task in your home.
Know someone's arriving before they ever reach your door. This wireless driveway alarm detects people and vehicles from up to 50 feet away, then instantly alerts you through a receiver with a wireless range of up to half a mile. It's weather-resistant, easy to install, and perfect for driveways, gates, garages, pools, or large properties. You can even assign different chimes to different sensors, so you'll always know exactly where motion is detected, giving you extra awareness without complicated security systems.
Big sound doesn't have to come in big earbuds. These Bluetooth 5.4 wireless earbuds connect in seconds with fast auto pairing and deliver rich hi-fi sound with deep bass and crystal clear calls. Each earbud weighs just 3 grams, making them comfortable enough for workouts, commuting, or all-day listening. Enjoy up to 50 hours of total battery life, USB-C fast charging, intuitive touch controls, and an IP7 waterproof design that keeps the music going through sweat and rain.
What if your glasses could do a whole lot more than help you see? The Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses let you capture 3K hands-free videos, snap photos, play music through open-ear speakers, and answer calls without touching your phone. Just say, "Hey Meta," to get real-time answers, translations, reminders, or identify objects around you. With up to 8 hours of battery life and a charging case that extends it to 48 hours, these smart glasses blend iconic style with cutting-edge AI, making the future something you can actually wear.